In the dense, mystical forests of ancient Britain, a veil of secrecy cloaked the sacred rituals of the Celts. Among them, the Druids, a priestly caste, held an extraordinary power, their influence permeating every aspect of Celtic life. The Celts, a people known for their warrior spirit and complex social structure, revered their Druids as guardians of wisdom and knowledge. These enigmatic figures were the keepers of the sacred fires, the interpreters of the will of the gods, and the conductors of intricate, awe-inspiring ceremonies. One such ceremony, the Beltane, marked the beginning of summer. It was a time of fertility, when the Druids would perform rituals to ensure a bountiful harvest. Bonfires were lit, heralding the triumph of light over darkness, and couples danced around the flames, hoping for love and prosperity. However, these rituals were not without controversy. The Romans, who had conquered much of the Celtic world, viewed these practices as barbaric and pagan. They saw the Druids as a threat to their own religious and cultural dominance. In 61 AD, the Roman Emperor Claudius, seeking to assert his authority, launched a campaign to crush the Druids. The island of Anglesey, in modern-day Wales, became the site of a brutal clash. Thousands of Druids and their followers were killed, their holy places destroyed. The Roman conquest marked a turning point in the history of the Celts. The Druids, once powerful and revered, were all but eradicated. Their rituals, passed down through generations, were suppressed, their secrets lost to the annals of time. Yet, the spirit of the Druids lived on. Their influence can be felt in modern-day Celtic traditions, from the celebration of Beltane to the mysterious standing stones that dot the British countryside. Their story serves as a stark reminder of the power of religious rituals in shaping history and culture. The Druids, with their mystic rites and profound influence, stand as a testament to the enduring allure of the unknown, the power of tradition, and the resilience of the human spirit in the face of adversity. Their story, a tale of power, resistance, and survival, continues to captivate history enthusiasts to this day.